Hello everybody, so today I will talk about radiant. So now I will show you the technique. First, we have the radiant of this one in here. So we need to do first the derivative of x, first the derivative of y, and first the derivative of z. So we got about, if we do first the derivative of x, we have number 6 multiplied with number 2, so you got about 2, and you got about 12, and that should be about 12x y to the power of 3 z to the power of 4. Later that we do first the derivative of y, you got about number 6 multiplied with number 3, and you got about 18, and you got about x squared y from number 3 they reduce to number 2. Similar for the next one, that's about 24 x squared y to the power of 3 z to the power of 3. Next, we need to find the radiant vector of this one. So we put x equal to number 5 in here, y equal to number 1 in here, z equal to number 1 in here. That should be about 12 multiplied with number 5, and we got about 1 to the power of 3, and number 1 to the power of 4. Similar for the next one. And you got about 60, 450, and 600. The next one, we need to find the vector r with first derivative. Vector r, that's about this one. So we can find first derivative of this one in here. So you got about 5 with number 2 is about 10t. First derivative of t to the power of 3, that's about 3t squared. First derivative of t to the power of 5, you got about 5t to the power of 4. So we have number 1 in here. So we put number 1 in here, here, and here, and you got about 10, 3, and number 5. Next, we apply the chain rule to find first the derivative of w over dt. So we have number 1 in here. Now we have number 60 multiplied with number 10 plus 450 multiplied with number 3, and the last one 600 multiplied with number 5, and we got the final answer. You got about 4,950, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.